Connecting an Apple CarPlay-compatible iPhone to display audio lets you enjoy many of the iPhone's functions through the touchscreen without having to touch the phone. Using the cable that came with your iPhone, plug the USB connector into the USB smartphone audio interface beneath the climate controls. After connecting the iPhone, turn the ignition on and go to the Display Audio home screen. When you first use Apple CarPlay, a consent screen will appear before enabling CarPlay. After agreeing to the terms and conditions, touch Enable on the Display Audio. An Apple CarPlay icon will now appear. Touch the icon to display the menu of apps that can be used with the system. To return to the Display Audio home screen, touch the Honda icon. The easiest way to use the apps on your iPhone is through Siri, Apple's voice recognition feature. To engage Siri, press and hold the talk button on the steering wheel until the system responds. Siri will now remain engaged until you stop talking. You can now ask Siri to read your text messages and respond to them by voice. You can use Apple Maps to get directions. Note that models with the Honda satellite-linked navigation system can only use one system at a time. You can also ask Siri to place phone calls, play songs, get the weather forecast, and even hear what movies are playing nearby. If you'd like to delete phones from the Apple CarPlay history, here's the process. From the Display Audio home screen, touch Settings, then Connections. Touch Smartphone Connection. Select Apple CarPlay. From the list that appears, select the phone you want to remove. Touch Edit Device Permissions, then touch Delete Device. Scroll down and touch Yes to complete the process.